Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest innovations in home improvement. Today, we're shedding light on the Ensenior 6-inch dimmable can killer downlight. Hailed as the best LED 5000K recessed lighting available on the market. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, bedroom, or workplace, this ultra-thin LED fixture promises to transform your space with its efficiency and style. Designed by Ensenior, known for its commitment to quality, this downlight combines sleek modern aesthetics with robust functionality. It boasts a high brightness of 1050 lumens while consuming just 12 watts of power, offering up to 88% energy savings compared to traditional lighting options. What sets the Ensenior downlight apart? Let's dive into its key features. Firstly, it's IC rated and ETL certified, ensuring it meets rigorous safety standards for installation in ceilings with insulation. The integrated junction box simplifies installation, making it suitable for various settings from kitchens to bathrooms. Featuring smooth 5% to 100% dimming compatibility with most Lutron dimmers, you have full control over the ambiance it creates. The frosted LED lens minimizes glare and is scratch-resistant, ensuring durability and a comfortable lighting experience for years to come. Installing the Ensenior downlight is straightforward. With a provided template, cutting a hole and securing it with spring clips is all it takes. Say goodbye to bulky recessed cans and hello to seamless lighting solutions that blend effortlessly into your decor. Whether you're renovating your home or designing a new space, the Ensenior 6-inch dimmable can killer downlight stands out as the ultimate choice for energy-efficient, stylish lighting. Elevate your environment with Ensenior and experience the difference today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we uncover the best innovations to enhance your lifestyle.